Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be teaching you how to set up your KAGE Gateway application for you to start mining CHIRP tokens on your phone. Essentially what it does is that it turns your phone into a piece of mining equipment that you can use to scan various network and endpoints on the CHIRP network. Now the CHIRP network is a decentralized physical infrastructure network that you can use to participate, and help connect devices, help map out the locations of devices, and generally help the network. And in doing this, you actually get rewarded by earning points, which will be converted into the SHIRP tokens during TGA. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this together. Ciao. So the first thing you want to do is actually to head over to Play Store and download the KAGE application. Like I said before, the KAGE application is the gateway to the CHIRP network. You understand, for mobile phones. Now, so we hit search and we type KAGE, right? KAGE, that's KAGE. Tap on it, yeah, and we're going to see the application. This is the application right here, and as you can see, I already have it installed on my phone. So go ahead and install this application on your phone so that you can participate in the CHIRP network. Once you have it installed, the next thing you're going to do is to actually open the application. This is the KAGE application fully installed on my device. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to open the application. So I'm going to allow you to open, and when you open the application, this is the first screen that actually pops up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to create a CHIRP account. In order for you to participate in the network, you have to create an account which allows you to track your earnings and track all your activities within the ecosystem. So head over to create CHIRP account. We're going to tap on that, and it makes that noise. It makes kind of a geeking noise. And when you create CHIRP, when you tap that button, it takes you to a web page where you can create an account. Now, instead of filling out this form, email, password, retype password, first name, last name, what you are going to want to do is to just use sign up with Google, right? If you have an Apple account, you can also use an Apple account as well. But remember, this KAGE application is not available to iOS devices. It's only available to Android. So what you want to do here right now is to just tap on these two buttons on the terms of use and privacy policy. You can go ahead and read that if you have time, and then head straight over to sign up with Google. Right after toggling on these two buttons, don't click continue yet. Head straight to sign up with Google. That's what you want to do. And once you do that, you're going to see your email addresses, all the emails that you have, all the Gmail accounts that you have on your phone. They are going to pop up, and you are going to be allowed to actually choose one. Right? As for me, I'm going to choose this last one over here. Yeah, and this pops up, right? And this pops up. So I'm going to click continue. Now, once that happens, they are going to ask you to actually accept the terms of use again and the privacy policy again. Go ahead and check the two boxes and continue the registration. Very, very easy. Now, you're going to see this box next. What they are saying is that they sent a confirmation email to my inbox, to my Gmail account. So I need to go there and actually, use that email. Maybe there will be a link there or a button. I need to tap on it to verify my account. So let's head over there. So right now I'm currently on my email account, right? I'm on my Gmail account. So this is the email right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap on it. Right, so they sent a link, but the link is in form of a button. Now I need to click on this button in order for me to verify my account. In order for me to log in, I need to verify my email before I log in. So tap on this button right here, this verify email button. So I'll allow it to load, and you see this will pop up. Your email has been successfully registered. So guys, right now we've been successfully registered the email. So what we have to do is to close this entire page, go back, and just close the Gmail application. We will not be needing the Gmail application for now. Now we need to head over, we need to go back to the KAGE application in order for us to sign in into the KAGE application. That's to log in, and then we'll continue into the app, into the gateway. So I'm back into the KAGE application, and it's just as if it's just new and there is nothing inside it right now. Now instead of clicking on create a CHIRP account, what we're going to do right now, because we already have a CHIRP account, is to go ahead and tap login, right? So we're going to go ahead and tap login, and when we tap login, it's going to take us to a web page. You can see that this web page is different from the first one, right? Because this is no longer a sign up page, this is actually a login page, right? So we're going to tap sign in with Google, right? Tap sign in with Google, right? With Google Authenticator, everything is usually very fast. So you choose your email address that you use in signing up. I've chosen mine, and this is what you'll see, right? You're going to see this screen. It means that you are about to get in. So I'm just going to click on the confirm button, and there is an amazing sound that you'll be hearing once you are here. Confirm. See, everything sounds robotic, right? If you want to off the sound, you can also off the sound at the top of your screen here. But I'm going to keep the sound on because the sound is amazing, right? So I'm going to tap continue. The bottom, you can read the storyline, but I'm already familiar with the storyline. So what I'm going to do right now is tap continue. Got that spark in your eyes. Now I'm going to tap allow network access, right? I'm going to tap that, and once I tap that, it's going to tell me that I need to turn on my location service, Bluetooth access, terms of use, data storage, and notifications. So I'm going to check all these boxes in order for me to gain access into this application. I'm going to tap continue. Yeah, so I'm going to allow while using the app. I'm going to type allow notifications as well. Now we're about to get in, right? Now it's going to tell these whole stories, and you can read all this, but I'm already familiar with them. So I'm going to just tap continue, right? Then when I get here, I'm just going to read this, and I'm going to tap continue. Now here you are going to be asked for a nickname. So here you need to enter a nickname. As for me, I'm just going to type wisdom 110 101, right? I'm going to use wisdom 101, right? So I'm going to confirm the name. So yeah, the name allowed me to log in. Now this is a very very important step that we've gotten to the referral code part. Now if you don't input a referral code and you continue just like that, you are going to lose 25,000 points. And trust me, it's not easy to get 25,000 points on this DePIN project. So you want to make sure you want to make sure you get a referral code and impute in this step, right? So now I'm going to give you a referral code that you can use and claim your 25,000 points, right? So you are going to see the referral code on the screen, right? You're going to see the referral code on the screen. Go ahead and write that down and use that as the referral code and claim your 25k points. If you register without a referral code, you will not be getting the 25,000 points. So please be careful and please claim your free 25,000 points. So now I'm going to paste the referral code here so that we can continue. So this is the referral code, guys. Once you have it imputed, make sure to drop down your keyboard and then click confirm code, right? And if you really want to get the 25,000 points, you really need to confirm the code. If you go ahead without confirming the code, or you touch your screen and you did not confirm the code, you have not claimed the 25,000 points, right? So I'm going to go ahead and confirm the code, right? So right here they say you can upload an avatar, so I'm just going to try to upload any photo at all. This photo, right? So set up avatar so that we can continue. Set up avatar. Yeah, it called me by name. Yes, I'm going to continue. Yeah, you're going to choose a link. So I'm going to choose this one, Sign Tech. Right, so I'm going to choose Sign Tech. You can choose the other one as well. Anyone you choose is okay. So go ahead and enter Sign Cage. Now, as you can see, yes, congrats, you've earned 25k points, a bonus for joining through a referral link. Welcome to the future of connectivity. So, as a bonus for using a referral code, you get 25k points. Now, I've received my 25k points, right? And they're also giving me 1,000 points, 1,000 points uh, for logging in, right? So each and every day as you log in, you get 1,000 points bonus, right? So I'm going to click get reward, and guys, you are in. So right now we're going to hit the activate scanning button so that we can start scanning networks and start getting rewards. This is how we contribute to the network. So go ahead and hit it. Yeah, so as you can see, it's detecting various devices, the various IoT devices, right, that are around me, right? Phones, any gadget at all that has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, internet enabled, you understand, it's going to get read. You understand? I'm going to be able to sense it with my phone right now. If I go to a place where there are lots of people, lots of gadgets, I'm going to get a lot more reading. Right now, we're getting just one Bluetooth device, no Wi-Fi device at all, and it's immersive where I am currently right now. I'm able to read two cell towers. So there are two cell towers that are basically around me within my vicinity, right? We have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cell tower. Right, if you tap this red icon here, you get to read about how this works. Right, so please, you need to enable nearby devices permission for scanning, which is I also need to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Your mobile data needs to be on and is required, right? Location access required. Points are added after server processing, not instantly. Scanning the same network twice won't earn extra points, so take note of that, right? So guys, feel free explore the app. This is everything you need to know about signing in. And right here you see how many data chips you've in, how many Bluetooth devices. And guys, there is also wallet connection. You have to connect your wallet. So in my next video, I'm going to be making a video on how you can connect your wallet on the KAGE application, right? That is going to require another application that you need to download, but I promise to make the steps very, very easy for you to comprehend and follow. So feel free. This is the leaderboard, global leaderboard, and you can see that I'm ranking 78,304, right? So I'm going to need to scan more networks for me to increase my rank and earn more points. This is the total number of points I've gotten, 26,227, right? And these are the devices I've been able to scan. Here is an interactive map which is yet to launch. By the time it launches, it's going to make the whole thing fun and interactive. Here I see the number of friends that have been invited. Right now, I've not invited any of my friends. Now, if you want to generate your own referral code, you can go ahead and tap come here, right, and generate my code. Give it a few seconds, right, and it generates your code, and you can copy it and share it with your friends and invite them to join CHIRP network, right? And here, this is where you are going to be able to see your airdrop allocation, right? Once we're close to TG or during TG, right? And you also need to connect your wallet in order for you to see your claimable balance too. So I'm going to make a video on how to do that. Please make sure you watch that video, follow up, like, subscribe, and comment if you have any issues. Feel free to also follow me on Twitter. Feel free to also join my community, right? My Telegram community, so that you can ask questions if you have any, right? Do drop a like, do comment, and subscribe. Cheers, guys.